going on, y'all? What's going on, everyone? It is currently Sunday, and as you guys know, it's getting colder and colder. So I am going to be putting in my thermostat back in the car. Because currently not running a thermostat. I'm currently not running a thermostat in the car. So I got the Gates one. I bought this when I went to go dyno the car. When I went to dyno the car, for some reason, we thought the hold on. What the hell? Whatever. When we dyno the car, for some reason the car was getting like hot. It was hitting like 2 something, and thermostat that I had in my car was like an old thermostat. It was a reused thermostat, so I didn't really think much of it. Then I went to go dyno the car, and everything was perfectly fine. It never gave me an issue again. So maybe we forgot to turn the fans on it or whatever. But there's a thermostat. This one opens up at 170. So that is awesome. And that issue that I'm having with the car, with the like pressure, I don't remember having it with a thermostat. So I don't know if maybe since the car is building up so much pressure, we're not having a thermostat is pushing so much at once. So I don't know. I know if the motor's like messed up, it'll push cooling or whatever, like if the valve's messed up or the head gasket or some shit like that. But I don't think that's the case, honestly. I honestly don't think that's the case with the engine right now. I don't think that's the case, because I could drive the car perfect idling, nothing happens. It's like usually when I'm like hitting it for real that it does that. But man, look at this car, bro. She is fucking shining. So I'm not gonna do it here because I gotta let out some coolant. So I'm gonna just let it out into my driveway. I know it's not good, but let it out into my driveway, wash it away. And then I got some peak antifreeze because I forgot today's Sunday and the Honda dealership is closed, so I can't get the OEM fluid like I always do. I have some here, tiny bit left, but it's only for the winter, and I'm not really gonna be driving the car like that, so I'm okay with it. And then summertime, obviously, I'll do the OEM fluid again. But yeah, that's what's on today's agenda. So let me push out the car and get to work. Man, I gotta really think this. Look at this. Look at that purple. Looks so good. Once I like really buff and polish this paint, then this paint is gonna be immaculate. Cause this thing doesn't really need like a crazy. I could honestly just do like a light buff and be fine with it. It just has like light marks and stuff on it. It has light marks. And you could like, I mean, you could see the the marks and stuff, but it ain't nothing crazy though. So as mostly I know, I have the downstar kit, so I just gotta get the right one that fits on the fender, which I believe is this one right here, because all the bolts are the same. So yes sir, we in there. Okay, so now I just have to get my socket. Got my socket ready. Use a hand wrench for now. Actually, I'm gonna get my power wrench, a power ratchet, my electric ratchet, so I could just take it out easier, and then I'll do it by hand, putting it back on. But that didn't work out because my gun is dead. The electric ratchet is dead. So that did not work out. So let me doing this by hand. Which is fine. Okay. Last time I did this, super easy, which I was completely surprised about because there's like all these things that are in the way to get to where I need to get to on the screw, and this is not the one. Okay, wait, how did I grab it? I don't know why I just grabbed that one. There she goes peeing. Got a leaf on my shit, what the fuck? Yeah, took a little bit more work, but let's use a regular Allen key, get in there. It's just because like all these little wires and stuff is literally right in the front of that bolt. It's always a little bit of a pain, but I'm gonna let that come out, and then I have my funnel and everything too. I'm gonna, where's my funnel? Somewhere around here, I think. I just have my funnel. Oh, it's back here, I think. Yeah, I got my funnel back here, so use this funnel, bleed the car. Oh, should be good. Coolant leaked over here, still nice and blue. And it mixed with no oil, anything like that, so it's a good sign. The last thermostat I had in this car was like a regular thermostat. So it opened up like around, you know, the regular thermostat, they open up usually like they usually open like around 190, 195. So that's when that one used to open up, but this one is opened up at 170. So if you don't know, if you look inside of your thermostat, you can see inside and it'll tell you the Fahrenheit. Chip! What are you doing? It'll tell you like the Fahrenheit or the Celsius or whatever. Pretty sure it'll be in Fahrenheit. But this one's 170, so that means it'll open up in 170. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put this back in the car and add coolant and bleed it, and then just take it for a little drive. Chip! Finally got in. He gave me a little bit of work, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to switch out to some longer bolts for that. Because when I tighten it down, like I feel like if I tighten more, the screw will get stripped, or like the threading from the beginning of that will get stripped. And on my last B16, that kind of happened, and what I did was I switched to a longer bolt. So I might just go back to like an OEM bolt, which is longer, or get one that's at least a little bit longer than that, because if you guys know, on the thermostat housing, you can put the bolt and go all the way past like the threading. It's like, you know, it has an opening in the back where you can just keep going. So that's what I did last time. So hopefully it doesn't leak down. If it does, then I'll switch that one out and put like a longer bolt on it. But I'm gonna put the funnel on now and bleed the system. I just started the car. Let it idle real quick. Then we're gonna add the fluid to it. All this condensation all over the engine bay. No. What I'm gonna do from here is just watch the temp on my Honda. It's already at 151, 152. So I'm gonna get up to like, bro, this camera is like, it's gonna just break. I know it's gonna break. It's on the verge of just breaking. This thing is like, anyways. Yeah, I'm just watching it on my Honda. I'm gonna let it get to like probably 200, maybe like 195 around there. Then let everything just like, you know, cycle in. Well, like around 170, it should be opening up and all of that coolant should be going in. But I'm gonna let it get to like probably like 198, 200, and then turn it off. Let all of it go back in without no air. and see if that fixes my issue, because I know air pockets also can cause that issue with pressure and stuff like that too, so we'll see. Yeah, it already took it. Alright, so I had the fan on, but the fan still cuts on this car around like 180. Think it's good. Got up to like 185 around there. Think it's good. I revved it a couple of times. Shit threw a big ass flame without even me two-stepping yet. But yeah, I just turned it off now, so I'm gonna let it cool down and just let all the antifreeze or whatever come in. If it has any air pockets come up, I'm just gonna pack up the stuff, and then yeah, should be good. Alright guys, I'm gonna just drive it down to like the lake that's down here, right down the road. You guys have never seen it. It's a beautiful lake, but I'm gonna just drive it down that way, just so everything circulates, make sure everything is Gucci, and then I'm come back. I don't even have like, I really honestly don't even have gas. I'm just gonna literally just cruise on the way over there and just cruise on the way back. And my friend got pulled over here, like by the cops. I was just hiding in the corner, so I ain't trying to get a ticket. But I ain't got no gas anyways. I'm literally about to be almost on E, so I'm honestly just gonna cruise there and back, because it's not good to do pools like that. And then I'll get gas probably during this week with the Civic, or probably with the CRV or something. But I'm gonna put you guys up here and just take you guys down, make sure everything's good, come back, close up the vlog. Alright guys, and we are off. I literally have no gas in this car at all. I'm gonna be getting some new seatbelts too. I don't know if you guys remember, I told you these seatbelts were just for like the meantime, just to like get the car rolling. And it's time to get some new seatbelts. So I'm not gonna say exactly what seatbelts I'm gonna get, because you know, a lot of people be trying to get shit before you, boy. So they're nice. They're nothing crazy. Nice seatbelts, but they're gonna make the interior pop. It's gonna look good. Dude, I literally have like no gas. I shouldn't even be driving a car right now. Yeah, so this is like right by. It's literally down the road from my house. Like literally 1 minute down. It's a beautiful lake. I've went here before to fish and stuff. Yeah, I've done a pool down this whole thing before, going like probably like 120, 130, and that's when I first moved here, and I'm crazy for that because deers pass through this all the time, back and forth, which has happened to me already. And they also be sometimes there'll be cops like hiding in these little corners, and you won't see them because if you guys don't know, the cops here, they have their cars are black. Like literally, their cars are black. The police cars here are completely all black. Guys, look how beautiful this looks. Look at the lake. The lake is literally right there. Back up so you guys can see it. I just want to get more in the middle. I don't want to be like. My battery's literally about to die. Car's good. Car's not leaking. Good. Look at this view right here. The camera does die. I appreciate you guys watching. Look at this view. We've been over there like fishing and stuff like that. Beautiful view. Got the Civic right here. The camera does die. I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to get more content going. I'm gonna be streaming again on YouTube also for like gaming stuff, so appreciate you guys watching. Peace out.